Okay, we are demonstrating the ReadME Generator, and we're going to get into the code here. We've got several things going on right now. One of them are two different functions here. One of them is an initializer function with a object of different questions we're going to be asking the user. After the user answers all of those questions, we generate a markdown. We call the generate markdown function to create a readme.md file, as well as attaching a badge to the readme file. And we will start it now. If we call upon the node index.js, we're asked questions. Here we go. GitHub username, email, we can choose between licenses here. If we choose none, it'll present an empty screen in the README file. We're choosing Apache. What that does is add a badge to the README file. Here's a short description. Prompted with what's the installation. In this case, we're just going to do something basic. We're going to do npm install. That's the default. Going to hit enter. What's the usage? This is the explanation of usage. Okay. We do have an existing README. I'm going to delete that. And we're going to run this one more time. Okay, we are going to go, my name is Isaac. We are going to go through the ReadME generator. We have programmed a couple of things. Number one is the generation of a markdown file. That's what we did here. We called upon template literals to do that, as well as adding a badge to the ReadME file. Inside of our index.js, we have an object that features all the questions. It goes by type, by name. We have some default values, and then at the bottom we have the function that allows us to generate the README file, and then console log this file has been generated. We're requiring fs, and we're requiring inquirer, as well as the file for generate markdown. Fill these out. We can choose between different licenses, the MIT, the Apache, or the EPL. If the user selects none, we can tell that if the user selects none, that it will default to just an empty string, I believe. Okay, let's continue. We'll go with Apache. That puts a badge onto the README file. npm install is default. We're going to hit enter. Usage, just as a demonstration. Okay, file's been generates up here, and we can see that it's generated based on what we've told it. Now, if we add this to our GitHub. Okay, we should be all updated to the GitHub. Let's check it out. All right, everything we've input via the terminal has been uploaded successfully to GitHub.